How to check iPhone information online. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, find the General option and tap on it. The General section manages overall setup and preferences for your iPhone. Now, tap on About at the very top of the screen. Here, you will find detailed information about your device. Locate the serial number and long press on it to copy it to your clipboard. Next, open the Safari app and go to Apple's official warranty check page. On the website, find the field to enter your serial number. Paste the serial number you copied earlier and tap on Submit. The page will load and display your device's model, purchase date, and current warranty coverage status. Following these steps, you can easily check your iPhone's information online. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.